In this video we will see input of type radio. I mean how to give radio button choices to user. So we will create radio.html. I will just write simple code. Okay. So suppose in user page we want gender selection choices. So gender, I will save it and I will give input type radio, and I will just write in front of it male, and input type of radio and female. So if we save this and open our page, then we will see two options for the user, male and female. So if we click right now, it will select both, so, and this is not the case, this is not we want. So we have to give some type, I mean not type, name, some common name, so user can actually choose only one of them. Okay, so this is nothing but a gender, so I will give it a common name as gender, and I will save it. If I refresh and if I select one, I will select other, so it will not select both, it will just select any one of these. So this is about the radio type.